phrase is called "koli goli." Koli goli is mean never want to do, never want to ... again. This mean the koli goli is mean you already have experience for do something, and after you do that thing, after you already did that thing, and you feel that you don't like or you cannot success for do that thing because you have no skill or because you just don't like it. So that you can say koli goli to have explain. This means never want to do again, right? I never want to do that job again because I don't like, or another reason that you don't want to do. So you can use koli goli to have explain. And in here we have the example like this. あんな大変な仕事はコリゴリだ。あんな大変な仕事はコリゴリだ。Which means I don't want to do such hard work again. I don't want to do such hard work again. It means あんな大変な仕事 is mean that the work that is really hard. For example, you may work about 20 hours per day, not 8 hours a day, right? Or they think that the work that you work is that you don't like. You can do, but you don't like, so you just feeling that you don't want to do again. So you can say コリゴリだ。あんな仕事はあんな大変な仕事はコリコリだ。